21 merge two sorted lists, which is an easy problem to solve. It's asking merge two sorted linked lists and return it as a new sorted list. The new list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Example is inputted 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. So it needs to be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, which is still sorted. This is actually the second step in merge sort. Just list it out as a separate problem. So the way we do this is just scan through the list and compare at each node which value is bigger or not, less. The last one, of course, needs to go first. And after that, we will be able to just get a new list. Because it's asking for a result of a new list, we need to use the dummy head technique to get the list. So we need to do a head new head node. Age equal new list node -1, let's say, and then h dash. Oh, we don't know that. We don't know what the next node is yet. Okay, so we just get the dummy node yet first, and then auto current node would be just h first. Okay, it's set to h, and then we loop through this while L1. Oh, we don't need current node actually, so all we need is just L1 and L2 when they are not empty. Okay, each of them have valid nodes. So we do if L1 value is less than or equal to L2 value. If that's the case, so we need to just loop through the node. So so let's see, h dash next need to be set to L1, right? And then L1 equal L1 dash next else h dash next equal L2 and L2 equal L2 dash next. And in the end, we just return h next. Let's see if this works or not. So lead code itself is kind of slow, so but that's the idea behind this problem. Two sorted lists, you actually do need a current node. So to consider the current node actually. So this is set to h, the dummy node in the first in the beginning as initialization. So it's the same section code, and at the end of the it's the current node that you're manipulating all the time. So you need to set cur dash next equal L1, then cur dash next equal L2 if its value is less. And then you need to move the pointer to the next. and at the end, there will be one node left. So if L1 is left, CUR equals to just L1 dash next. If L2 CUR dash next equal L2, and then at the end, all you need to return is just the head next after that was done. So 26. Oh, we just need semicolon, of course. Okay, that looks right. So we just submit it. And then that's accepted. Of course, these two lines of code can be combined further, right? So for the shorter notation, so it can be basically CUR dash next equals, you tell if L1 equal to nar or not. L1. If it's nar, it's L2, of course. Or then L1. That can be done that way. And also there may be some garbage collection requirements. So you need to do basically delete h at here, right? So that should work. After you return it. Oh no, you cannot do that after return. So you need a separate variable, right? So let's say auto res equal h dash next, and you just return delete h. You can delete h next, and then return res as a result, right? So that should work also with the garbage collection. For C++, and also this should be able to replace this also. But that's just a little bit improvement for the whole, for efficiency of typing and also for garbage collection.